Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been away, so sorry. There will be a video coming up explaining why I was away from YouTube, and I know it's only been like 2 weeks, but I will be explaining what's been going on. Anyway, today is going to be an eyebrow tutorial. Yes, eyebrow tutorial has been long awaited. Some of you guys have been asking for an eyebrow tutorial, and I'm here to give it to you, sis. So stay tuned and keep watching. Alright guys, so these are the things you'll be needing. You're going to be needing a dip brow or an eyebrow pencil. If you do get the dip brow, you're going to need an angled eyebrow brush. You're going to need a spoolie. They come separate, but this one came together. This is the Maybeline. You're going to need a concealer about 2 shades lighter than you. So this is the color Cool Tan in the LA Pro. You're gonna need a flat concealer brush. Make sure it's flat, not thick. You're gonna need a beauty blender, a damp clean beauty blender, okay? And you're gonna need a pair of tweezers. Now these are my favorite. They came together, Revlon. This is an angled one, and this is like a very precise one, so you get those small hairs. And yeah, that's pretty much all you need, and of course a mirror. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is brush out our eyebrows. Now, we're going with the natural shape of our eyebrows, so don't be trying to draw on eyebrows that don't fit the shape that you already have, okay? So we're gonna go in with the dip brow, and first I like to do this with my brush to kind of get the access, and I literally go in like that, and then on the other side like that. So I'm taking a little bit of product at a time, and we're gonna start with the bottom eyebrow. So I'm not starting at the very beginning, I'm starting at the middle. And we're just lining the bottom. And if you want to make your tail longer like that, it's totally fine. But with that extra product, you're going to take it, you're going to go towards the front of the brow. Okay? Alright, so now we have our bottom. Like I said, the same amount of dip brow. Pat on each side of the flat brush. Sorry, the angle brush. And we're going to do the top. Now we're starting about a ½ inch away from the beginning of your eyebrow. So we're not starting at the beginning, we're starting right here. And you're just making a line. You're following, see how I'm following the shape of my eyebrow? I'm not going all the way here, I'm right here, okay? So, and with that extra product that we already put on the top, we're gonna drag that to the front. You're doing it very lightly. Now, when I'm dragging this extra product, I'm actually going in to fill the beginning of my eyebrows, because you want it to look like a gradient, like ombre-ish type effect, because it looks the most natural. Now, we're gonna take that same amount of product, like I said in the beginning, and we're gonna fill in the middle. And you don't have to be very precise with this one. You really don't have to be precise at all, because that's what the concealer is for. Taking that, yeah. And if you want to heighten your arch, that's totally fine too. It's up to you. It's your eyebrow. And we're just filling in the middle. Alright, so we have your eyebrow. And I'm taking my spoolie, getting some product, and making an ombre type effect. Like that, in the front of my eyebrow. I hope you guys caught that. So yeah. So I'm gonna do the other eyebrow, and we're gonna go on to concealer. Alright guys, so I'm back with both eyebrows filled in. Now we're going to, let me spoolie these out. Now we're on to concealing. This is my favorite part, because this is when you really get to perfect the eyebrow. Now, with concealing, I literally start little by little, okay? put some on the top, right? You want to control the amount of product that you put on the eyebrow, because once you put too much, then it can really mess it up. So we're taking our flat brush, we're taking our concealer that's lighter than our skin tone, about 2 shades lighter, and we're starting at the arch. And we're literally cleaning every mistake that we made, if you made any mistakes. Okay? And then we're taking that same excess product and we're cleaning the mistakes in the front. And we're dragging that product down to blend it out. Because obviously when your makeup, or even if you're just doing your eyebrows, you don't want that whitish cast. So this is the blending portion. Now, see how easy that was, guys? And we're taking our beauty blender and we're blending. And we're blending. This is a damp, clean beauty blender, by the way. And I like to take the other side because it's a little more precise and really go in. This part is very optional, but I like to take another concealer on the top brow. This is only if you're putting foundation on, that way it can blend. But it's a little bit lighter than this shade, so it's probably like a shade darker than me. Lighter than me. So I'm basically doing the same thing. This is to get a really, really precise eyebrow look. I find that it made a huge difference in my eyebrow game when I put concealer on the top. Some people like to put foundation. I personally don't. I feel like the foundation that I use is a little dark, so I just like to go in with a lighter concealer. As long as you blend it away, it should be no problem. But yeah, this concealer has a flat brush that I like, so I just use it. I don't really use my regular flat brush. And I'm basically outlining my eyebrows. Super easy, guys. Now, I'm gonna take my ring finger and I'm blending away. When you blend, you wanna blend away from where you started. Now, we're gonna go in with our beauty blender and blend even more. Guys, see how easy that was? And there you have it, an eyebrow. Like, wow. So, I'm gonna come back and do the other side. I'll be right back. Hey y'all, so this is the final result. These are my eyebrows, and I just went ahead and did my makeup too. So like this video if you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed tutorials like this, so definitely let me know if you like these types of videos, guys. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.